You're not just inspired, you're jealous, and you're scrolling every day, watching them glow up, travel, succeed, while you sit there like, ugh, must be nice. Newsflash: jealousy is not the enemy, your reaction to it is. So either cry about someone else's life or wake up and build your own. This is day 2 of the 7 deadly sins of the mind challenge. And today, we're dragging envy into the light. Not to shame it, but to show you how to turn it into a weapon. Because envy isn't a flaw, it's a compass. And you've just been using it wrong. Let's be real. You don't envy things you don't secretly want for yourself. You're not jealous of astronauts or underwater welders. You're jealous of people who remind you of what you could be if you actually got out of your own damn way. Envy is your subconscious screaming, "That's meant for us too." But instead of taking the hint, you spiral into comparison mode. Here's the fix. When you feel envy, don't scroll past it. Study it. Ask yourself, what exactly about them is triggering me? What part of that do I wish I had the guts to pursue? Where in my life am I slacking? Then, use it. Turn that comparison into a to-do list. If they have the body you want, go hit the gym. If they're booked and busy, turn off Netflix. If they glow with peace, start regulating your nervous system instead of rewatching your breakdowns. Simple, not easy, but it works. Let's be blunt. If you keep being jealous but doing nothing about it, you're not just envious, you're self-sabotaging. And that turns into self-loathing real quick. Because deep down, you know the truth. You could do it too. You're just not. So next time envy hits, don't shrink. Use it.